students. How are you today? Welcome to today's lesson. In our previous class, we treated properties of solid shapes, three-dimensional shapes. And today we are going to see how to find the volumes of cubes and cuboids. If you can remember, when we treated the properties, I told you that the only difference between a cube and a cuboid is that the face of a cube is that of a square, while the face of a cuboid is that of a rectangle. That they share the same properties, how square and rectangles share most of the properties in plane shapes. So looking at that, because they are three-dimensional, we want to see how to find their volumes. In plane shapes, we deal with areas because you just see it has only one surface. But in three-dimensional shapes, we deal with volume. Because remember, I told you that we merge different plane shapes to get a solid shape. Because we merge them, after we've done that, it now has inside, which is referred to the depth or the height of the shape. That is why when we talk about, we don't say area, rather we say volume. And when you look at the formula, we now say breadth, length times breadth times height. Breadth is otherwise referred to as width. Because in some textbooks you will see them write length times width times height. While sometimes height is referred to as depth. Because when you look at the house, how deep the house is tells you the height of the house. But when we come to the face, we get the length and width from the faces of the shape. Because of that, we now multiply the length and breadth, which is with the height also. Unlike in plane shapes, where we multiply length and width. Because of the three dimensions, you see where that three dimensions comes in. The three dimensions, length, breadth, and height. It now gives us what we call the volume. And that's why the unit of volume is centimeter cubed to the power of 3. While we multiply the numbers, we also multiply the cm. That is cm times cm times cm cubed. Whether it's meter cubed. If it's kilometer to the power of 3. Let's take an example. Find volume of a cuboid whose length is 6 cm, breadth 5 cm, and height 4 cm. What do? You just write the formula. Which tells you that volume is equal to length times breadth times height. Lift the values, the lengths from the question given. From our question, we say the length is 6, the breadth is 5, and the height is 4. We now say 6 times 5 times 4, which will give us 120 centimeter cubed, not just centimeter. Second example, when you look at this one, we have to find the height, no longer the volume. Find the height of a house whose length is 8 cm, breadth 2 cm, and volume 80 centimeter cubed. When you look at this question, we've been given the volume. We are given the length, we are given the breadth, we are not given the height. So we are looking for the height. You quote your formula as usual. Place the values wherever it fits into the formula. Under your volume, have 80, length 8, breadth 2 times h. You multiply out and get an algebraic expression, which is 16h. Divide both sides by coefficient of h, which is 16. You get your height as 5 cm. This one is no longer cm cubed because it's just a parameter. It has only cm. Example 3. A rectangular tank has a volume of 180 centimeter cubed. If the side face measures 9 cm by 2 cm, what is the depth of the tank? We are given the volume. If the face, one face of it measures this, we have to find the depth. What do you say? Length times breadth times height, or sometimes we say area of side face times depth. We now say length times breadth times height, length 9, breadth 2, height we don't know, volume 180 centimeter cubed. Put it into the formula. When we multiply out, we get 180 is equal to 18h. So divide both sides by coefficient of h, which is, after division, you get 10 centimeter. When you come to cube, remember that a cube, because it bears the shape of a square has all its sides equal. Because of that, every dimension of the cube, they are all equal. In most cases, you can ask to find the volume of a cube whose length is anything. Because you know that all sides of a square are equal and all sides edges of a cube are equal, you just multiply that thing by 3. That is to, let's say, length to power 3. Now, here is your assignment. From what we have done so far, you are asked to solve these 3 questions. Thank you very much. See you next week.